Hi everyone, so I will discuss about Sun Accelerate, good for retirement, education, and safe for milestone. Meaning, pwede mo siyang kahit saang purpose gastusin, kung anong luho man yan in the future, or pwede mo pambayad sa kondo, ng down payment sa kotse, or anything. Pwede kahit saan mo gastusin. So this plan is 8 years to pay, and nag-increase ang life insurance coverage nito by 16% of the face amount annually until the 8th year and so on until 20th year. So, starting 100% of the face amount until 8th year, 228% na ng face amount. And then, may increasing cash benefits din ito na starting at the 8th year of the policy. So, after 8 years, makakatanggap na ng 8% of the face amount. Then, increases by 2% of the face amount every other year until maturity. So, 8%, magiging 10%, magiging 12%, magiging 14, 16, 18, and 20%, so on. Yung kanya magiging guaranteed cash payout. And then, ang maturity benefit nito ay 2 million. Guaranteed 2 million 40,000. Dahil ang face amount niya ay 2 million. So, ganun din yung initial coverage na face amount ay 2 million. And the initial cash benefit mag-i-start sa 160,000, mag-i-increase every 2 years ng 2%. And then, may accidental death benefit din ito na 1 million. Meaning, if ang cause of death within 20 years is accident, ay additional pa, aside from 2 million, magiging 3 million kasi may 1 million added pa. So, here's the benefit for the early retiree. So, this is based sa age na 35 years old, male, non-smoker, no? Isa siyang IT engineer. So, gusto niya mag-retire na at the age of 55. So, ito yung na-come out natin na solusyon sa problema niya. So, pwede siya makapag-retire. Ito yung plan na magbibigay sa kanya ng lump sum money para makapag-retire. So, like sabi ko kanina, after 8 years, makakatanggap na siya ng 160,000 guaranteed, then every 2 years, nag-increase siya. So, at the age of 43, after 8 years, makatanggap siya 160,000, then after 2 years, 45 age na niya, 200,000 na, then 47 years old, 240,000 guaranteed, 49 years old, 280,000, 51 years old, 320,000, 53 years old, 360,000, and finally, 55 years old, 400,000. And then, dito naman sa next column, accumulated endowment benefit, if hindi niya winidraw to, mga every 2 years. So, let's see, no, 160,000 nag-grow ng another 6,000 the second year. Then, another 66,000 plus 200,000, nag-grow pa yan ng 373,000. Kasi supposedly, yung 160,000 plus 200,000 is equals 100, mga nasa 360,000 lang, di ba? Pero dahil hindi niya withdraw, mag-grow siya ng 373,000. And so on. Kung hindi niya i-withdraw tong lahat, until age 55, nakaipon na siya ng 2.4 million. Okay? And then, meron pa itong additional, no? Bukod sa payout, ang pangalawang cash benefit nito is dividends na mag-i-start on the 9th year of the policy after paying period. So, on the 9th year, 44 years old na siya. Aside from guaranteed payout, meron itong dividends, 58,000, 60,000, 62,000, 63. So, increasing siya hanggang age 55. So, yearly to, no? Halimbawa, gusto niya i-withdraw at the age of 47, yung guaranteed payout niya na 240,000. Plus, meron pa siyang mawi-withdraw na 63,000. So, that's 240,000 plus 63,000 equals 303,000 ang mawi-withdraw niya in case at the age of 47. Now, increasing niya hanggang age 55. Kung hindi niya i-withdraw, ito yung next column, accumulated dividends. Like 55, 58, plus 60, 121, at may growth na yan, no, na nag-grow siya. Lahat ng accumulated dito is nag-grow ng 4.2%. Diba? Pero pag nilagay lang yan sa bangko, wala pang 1% yung tubo doon. Dito, yung tatlong benefit na babanggitin ko, is kapag hindi winidraw agad, mag-accumulate ng 4.2%. So, that's, kung hindi niya winidraw itong yearly dividends, mag-grow hanggang 979,000. So, total natin, no, 2.4 plus 979,000, mga nasa 3 million plus na yan. Plus, ito na yung pangatlong cash benefit bonus, paid up bonus na magi-start on the 8th year after paying period to 211,000. So, this one is nag-accumulate kapag hindi withdraw, no? Magiging 220,000, 230, 239, and so on until age 55 niya. Ito na yung pwede niyang withdraw. So, naiipon na yung retirement fund niya, 347,000. And then, the living benefit naman, if pinagsama-sama na to, kung gusto na i-terminate. Pero dahil 20 years to, pwede ito ma-terminate hanggang age 55 lang talaga, no? 5.7 million ang total. Kasi, ito na yung yung cash value. So, ito namang cash value, loanable naman to. Every year meron yan. Kung gusto mo mag-loan, at age of 45, 2 million. Pero kailangan maibalik din within 1 year kasi nagkaka-interest yan. May 8% interest. Pero kung sa bank, mga nasa malaki yung interest doon. And dito, hindi na kailangan mag-file ng payslip. ID lang, saka yung form, 'di ba? Na kailangan i-file, makaka-loan ka na yan. Pero kailangan within 1 year may balik na. Kasi kung hindi na may balik, within 1 year, ay mataterminate na yung plan kasi hindi mo na ibalik. Considered termination na yun. Then, after age 55, naging 2,040,000 na yan. Yan na yung maturity benefit na tinatawag. So, ito, 2,040,000 plus yung accumulated benefit 2.4 million plus yung accumulated dividends na 979 plus yung accumulated na special bonus equals 5.7 million. So, ang total benefit talaga ng plan na to, 5.7 million. Can you imagine how or what retirement you have? Saan mo gagastusin yung 5.7 million? Diba? Ang saya ng retirement. Ang aga-aga niya mag-retire, meron siyang 5.7 million at the age of 55 kung hindi niya withdraw yung mga guaranteed payout, dividends, and special paid up bonus hanggang age 55 kasi nag-accumulate. Pero kung withdraw niya naman yan, mababawasan na ng konti. But, money back pa rin siya. Dahil, based sa age niya, para makaipon siya for 8 years ng ganitong kalaking retirement plan, is magsisave lang siya ng 423,660 times 8 equals mga nasa 3,389,280. Diba? Compare natin sa benefit niya na at the age of 50, money back na siya eh. Kasi 3.9 million nandito no. Eh yung nilabas niya lang nasa 3.3. So, since day 1 pa, no? Kahit nasa 400,000 pa lang yearly niya, 2 million na yung katapat nun since day 1. Whatever happens sa kanya, kung may pinapaaral siya during that time, mga anak na hindi pa tapos ng college, insured siya ng 2 million, may mapapamana siya. Pero when the time comes, na after 20 years siguro, yung anak niya na baby, 20 years old na, hindi ba? So, that time, sarili naman niya ang kanyang iisipin for retirement dahil makikinabang siya dito until it terminates after 20 years. So, summarize ko lang, this is 8 years to pay, guaranteed 8 years, hindi na kailangan maghulog after 8 years, then mapapakinabangan mo na to hanggang 20 years. The 20 years. So, in this case, this is 35 years old, after 20 years, he is 55 years old. And lahat talaga yan, mapapakinabangan nyo na yan. Okay, so that's all. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, if sa tingin nyo mataas to, yung premium, pwede naman natin na babaan, meron pa namang mas minimum. If sa tingin nyo masyadong mababa pa tong premium, masyado pang mababa yung 2 million, saka yung retirement fund na mapapakinabangan niya, let me know kasi meron pa naman mas mataas na coverage for this plan. So, the good thing about this is mas bata mag-start, mas maraming time to accumulate wealth. The more time you have, the more opportunity to build wealth. And the more money you save, the more chance na mag-grow talaga yung money. No? Basta hindi lang natin iiwan sa bangko. Kasi sa bangko, wala pang 1%. At wala rin insurance yun. Usually, yung iba wala insurance. Pero ito may insurance. Meron ka peace of mind na whatever happens sa'yo, yung money is talaga magpupunta agad sa mga beneficiary mo maiiwan ng walang tax. So, let me know if you have any questions about this Sun Accelerate. We have many options to choose from. Iba pa yung mga plans. Isang plan lang na ito na para sa mga temporary lang na 20 years pero may money back 100% guaranteed. So, that's all. Thank you.